It was a quiet night. The moon was shining outside the window. Ali and Sara were sitting close to Papa, wrapped in a soft blanket, on their comfy sofa.
Papa, can you tell us a secret story tonight?
A real secret from Islam?
Of course, my dear children! Tonight, I will tell you a story where even tiny actions bring big rewards.
Ooh!
Did you know even a sneeze can make Allah happy?
Papa, sneezing? Like achoo?
Yes, Sarah. Sneezing is actually a blessing from Allah.
A blessing? But it's loud.
Allah likes sneezing because it clears the body. But Islam teaches us beautiful manners. First, what do we do when we sneeze?
We cover our face.
Very good. With our hand, or a cloth, or tissue, and we try to sneeze softly.
Achoo! Alhamdulillah.
Excellent, Ali. That means, praise be to Allah. Now, what does the listener say?
Yarhamukallah.
Beautiful. That means, may Allah have mercy on you.
And then the sneezer says, Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum.
Perfect. May Allah guide you and set your affairs right.
Papa, what if someone sneezes again and again?
Good question, my son. If someone sneezes more than 3 times, they may be sick.
So, what do we say?
Then we make a kind dua. May Allah make you better. Islam always teaches kindness. Ah, another secret!
Yawning has a secret too?
Yes, yawning is disliked because it comes from laziness, and it makes shaitan happy.
I don't want shaitan to laugh.
Then remember this. When you feel a yawn coming, try to stop it.
And keep our mouth closed?
Yes, and if you cannot stop it, cover your mouth with your hand.
And no loud sounds?
Exactly. No ha or ah.
Papa, do we say anything after yawning?
No special words, my dear. Just good manners and silence. Let's practice. Achoo! Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamukallah.
Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum. MashaAllah. Beautiful Islamic manners.
Papa, these are small things.
Yes, but small things done for Allah become big rewards.
Papa gently pulled the blanket closer. Ali and Sara snuggled beside him.
My dear kids, Islam teaches us manners for every moment.
Even sneezing.
Even yawning.
Because a Muslim remembers Allah in everything.
And with peaceful hearts, they drifted into sleep, ready to practice beautiful manners again tomorrow. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe so more Islamic stories can come to your home. And don't forget to like so others can find these stories too. See you soon, inshallah.